Hey everyone, it's me again. I'm gonna show you guys how to build a speedboat for your minifigures. So, there are a lot of easy pieces you need. Well, some of these pieces I use from the Iron Man sets, but it's okay if you guys have more at home. So first, we're gonna need this and a 2x6 plate in yellow. Any color you want is good enough. So just attach it up, just like that. You take one of these. I don't really know the names, sorry. But if you guys know the names, you can just do it. Okay, you need this. Just attach it to the rest. Now it looks something like that. And then you take this piece, and then you just attach it up here, front. Now, you take 1x4 smooth tiles and attach to the rest, just like that. That's actually really easy. Next, you need 1x2 tiles, 4 1x2 tiles. You guys see right now I'm holding 2, but it's because there's 2 more stacked down. See, it's bigger, thicker, so you guys will know. So just attach it right over here, which is good enough. Okay. And oh wait, not yet. Take one of these. You can use anything for this because it's just for like control panels and like that. So you just leave a gap here, like that. Take a 1x2 smooth tile, place on top. Almost done. The bottom here, we'll just put one of these. I don't really know what these called, but it's okay. You guys might have this. Right, attach them up. You can just put them any place you want because I don't mind. All you need is this last piece. Attach it right here. Yeah, remember. Put here, here, here. Leave it this gap. Here. Don't do it here. Okay? This is supposed to be the window in black. Because I saw the Batman, they are just like, the windows are black, so you can see them out. Okay, I go get the minifigures so you guys saw. I'm in my bedroom right now. Okay, I go Ghost Rider. Just put the hands up. And just like that. The back is okay. You lean the body down. I have to lean the body down. So it's kind of like, there's my hand that goes all the way to controller. So that's just the end of it. It was pretty short, but also like no long. But just now you have a regular speedboat for your minifigures. And remember, this doesn't float, okay? When I built this, I tried to make it float. It didn't. It went upside down. So, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.